Happy? How to make happy? And home of ethics. That is, when you go out of this campus now, you are going to carry a message. How I can make my home happy? How can I make my home of ethics? It's a good job, good mission. You all like it? Then you must do what I am going to ask you to do. Will you do it? Okay, friend. First, let me greet two ministers who are sitting, I understand. Honorable Sri Ashwini Kumar Sobe, Honorable Sri Chandramohan Roy ji, and my friends in dais, Sri Gurjirat Singh, Sri Anup Bansal, Sri Manoj Kumar. Don't disturb. Hello? You are disturbing. Manoj Kumar, Sri Manbit Katkar, and citizens of Patna, and the youth of Bihar, and winners of quiz contest. Good evening to all of you. Friends, I am delighted to address and interact with the students and